This is a hotel room tour of the My Place Hotel located in Greenville, South Carolina. This particular room is room 102. The door has standard locks and the room has a full kitchen area that includes a kitchen with a freezer, a decent sized sink. They also provide dish soap, and then they have a coffee or tea maker, a 2-burner stove. There is closet space that includes a toaster. However, anything such as dishes that you would need to request from the front. And the room also does have a microwave. And there's plenty of room down here to store other kitchen appliances and other non-perishable foods that you wouldn't be putting into the fridge. Then over here there is a dining set that has 2 chairs, and this desk area could potentially be used for work, so I do appreciate that there's outlets right next to it. And then another feature that I liked, and it's going to sound silly, but this room had a very large garbage can, and most hotel rooms I have a pretty small one, so it's something I appreciate that it was easy to throw out garbage. The television was a moderate size, and then there is some dresser space available. For the closet, it's typical of other extended stays that don't have any doors or anything covering the area. And then my room had an iron, but there was no ironing board, so perhaps it's something you could request from the front desk. The view was of the parking lot, but I did like that you could see some trees as well, so it didn't have too much of a sterile feeling. And then this was the air conditioning unit, which worked really well. Next, onto the bed, it was quite firm, as well as the pillows were pretty firm. I just wish it was made a little bit neater. But overall it was comfortable, and I did appreciate that they had one of these softer blankets because it's very rare that hotels have those. Over on this nightstand there was quite a few more electric outlets, which I appreciate the ability to plug things in close to the bed. And then they also had this chair, which compared to the rest of the room, which was a little dated, this chair felt a lot more dated. And it was at a bit of a difficult angle to watch TV from. Next, onto the bathroom. This room does have a shower and a tub, and I appreciate that the shower is quite high up. The countertop area was a bit awkward shaped with another piece extending out over it, but it did make it more functional than if it was just the countertop itself. In terms of price, this room was one of the most affordable options. It was $89 plus tax, came out to about $98. Let me know if you would stay here.